Welcome to the Windows and Computer channel, and this is to talk about new version of Chrome. Yeah, Google Chrome version 77 was released yesterday, I believe. A few days ago on Android. If you are on Android, you got it a few days before. So Google Chrome, being the major web browser around there, more than 60% of people use it, is updated to version 77. Of course, as they continue adding features and tweaking and doing some adjustments. What is new in here? Not a lot of stuff. There's a little bit of tweaking in the way that some of the web pages actually show up. And one of them also is here on the Omni Bar, which is at the top. They used to, so for example, if you go on a website, often with in the address bar here, they would actually tell you what company that was all about. Well, they've if the company uses the latest versions of the security certificates, that information is not available. It's not there anymore because they say that it takes too much space in the address bar and it's not really useful anyways. The other thing that's interesting, if you have multiple devices, including mobile devices like tablets and your smartphones, you can now share a tab easily. So when you right click on a page, you'll see something called send to your devices. For example, here, the two devices that I have where it says open is my smartphone, the SMG965W, my Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus, and KT107, which is my tablet computer. So you can actually share tabs between devices if you wish, and so they appear in that send to your devices option. In your smartphone, your Android phone, it's a sharing option. So you can do it from your smartphone and send it to a desktop PC, or from a PC to a smartphone, or between smartphones, or all of that. So it's kind of interesting, and it's a nice feature because how many times it happens to me regularly. I have multiple devices, and I want to open a page that I was viewing on one machine on another machine, but you gotta either send it through a link or sometimes they'll copy that that URL, or you just like, it's not always the easiest thing in the world, even though it's not super complicated. But now it's really the easiest thing in the world, because actually right now it's just you right click and you send to your devices, and that's it. And that is actually very nice. Honestly, I find this really, really cool. So I think it's a nice option, honestly, and it's really, really worth it to use regularly, I think. So it's kind of cool, honestly. It's really kind of cool. What else in there? Well, security fixes. Yep, big list of security fixes in here, including one critical and several that are high priority security fixes. So that's also very important to do the updates just for that reason. To make sure that you have the latest version, simply go to the upper right corner in the three vertical dots. Here, go into Help, go into About Google Chrome. If you're not already on version 77, this is going to force update to version 77. It's available for Windows, for Mac, and for Linux, and for Android. So check it out, and check out the new features. If you enjoy our videos, please subscribe, give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.